Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ke kong ida shisha nongrang DGP ke jela habe keren berkilat pathai kubor mentaka sengi ke arpotri ujemang arajar arpusa halor ke cybercrime kala ong bagarukom trekam jong ketenat cybercrime hapo ke jela kaduna yaki breu Henry le dapai pat sakawai pat kaliang ke jinglong jingman jong ke cybercrime ha ke jela Meghalaya hi kamda jurthan kumalong lem sikiwai pat ke jela kebakin thum ya baro ki kamto kamthem lingba kani ke juk start social media kekong nongrang kala pentip ru ba ke cybercrime kaya tray rengkat bat ke sarkar India bat ke jela kala jet iki he pulit ke babiang bat kala pha ru iki pan syahikai namar ke kamto kamthem bat ke kamthok kam syukor ka jorbha bat ke mi ne kapor sakapor Henry wat la kataru nangaliang katanat pulit kala persangkat bala wala kampat da biang ni ki kor ki bor bat ki tiar kitar banyak kun ni ki jing ki bala kharoi hagabide bat ka forensic evidence ne ki sakhi jong ki basha penyam na kaliang ke DGP kala pentip ba ko makalong menta ka jela kanang hab hiban pha syabar ye ki jing pet benia na benta ban lam ye ki sakhi bat ka cybercrime forensic hapo ke jela Meghalaya kampat da biang bha ko makalong menta Henry katanat pulit kadang hele ban penbiang badru ban penbha yaki jingduna.
Cybercrime, yes. In fact, I was just discussing this with some of my officers before I came in here. Cybercrime is something that we are very limited with. Thankfully, one of the positive sides of the fact that we do not have that good connectivity is that the level of cybercrime vis-a-vis Meghalaya is not as high as in some other states, especially when you talk about frauds, whether it is bank frauds, whether it is people being duped into giving information about saying or transferring money, etc., etc. Cybercrime is something that we're working very closely with the Government of India. I4C has been coordinating. We do have a number of nodal officers. There have been a number of SOPs that have been put in place. But like you said, despite all of this, we've seen an increase in cybercrime. So yes, that would be another focus area. And we have sent some people in for training for handling. But cybercrime is such that it's such a fast, it keeps evolving. One modus operandi is being used in one instance, 2, 3 instances successful, then we move on to something else. So we have to keep updating ourselves on that also. So that is something that is an ever-changing challenge, and we are trying, but not very much success on that.
But is government investing into dealing with cybercrime? Is it enough, the investment that the government is giving as of now?
I can talk to you about how the government investment, as you're saying, 2 years back. But I presume at that point of time, yes, I would say yes, it was not as much as what we had wanted. But I've been told that in the last couple of years that there has been an increase. So I will look into that and see whether we need to go back to the government as to whether there is necessity for augmentation of that or not.
How equipped is the forensic lab in Meghalaya, ma'am? Because we have seen any cases they have to go outside the state.
I think that there has been improvement in that, especially when it comes to NDPS cases. But for the other cases, no, we still have to send out. Ballistics and chemicals division, I know, is pretty good. We're not sending cases regarding that out. But when it comes to forensic evidence, when it comes to DNA or anything like that, then we do have to send it out. And also, cybercrime forensics is not so great at the moment. We are working on that. Down and see and focus on what are the issues. Because in some cases, in some districts, we have seen an improvement. In some districts we haven't. For example, take for us, we at one point of time we have been trying to identify the hotspots. At one point of time, it was Jaintia Hills, East Jaintia Hills more than anywhere else. And then surprisingly, West Khasi Hills. But West Khasi Hills, when we had focus on West Khasi Hills, the kind of a special team was constituted just to look into crime against women, especially POCSO cases. It did show a lot of improvement, but somehow the momentum we've lost, and we need to have that's what like I was saying earlier, we need to have a relook and a rethink as to maybe there's something that we could do better. There are some things which we need to change, but that I would be able to talk about only after some time, not immediately.